Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start today's news. Alright, so our monitoring spirits that they call Caught Offside and Ekrem Corner let us know say Al Ettifaq and Al Ali see that they plan another move for Thomas Partey, because if you remember for the summer they tried to get him, but Thomas Partey say he no one signed for all the Saudi Arabian clubs, he want to remain relevant for Europe. And with Juventus also, we don't get talks with Thomas Partey. We never really know whether Juventus will get the guy at the end of the day, because what's happening here now is a Juve they propose a loan move for Thomas Partey. At the same time, Galatasaray also they interested from Turkey, say they want carry Thomas Partey, may go join the likes of all those Icardi and Zaha, waiting for that area where they play very, very well. So my prayer, blessed God don't answer my prayer, because when I remember at the time when I talk, say what I really want is for Saudi Arabian clubs to get into the mix, carry the price, go up. So for the fact say two Saudi Arabian clubs, they even drag the player, that one will mean say the price will go up at least 40 million again, because anytime make Al Ali and Al Ettifaq they fight for player, they go one outbeat the other, because money no be their problem now. All money is raining things there for there. So what will they look at the end of the day? I believe say Thomas Partey supposed liars with Arsenal. I mean, no say we need to recoup some money instead of going on loan to Juve or going for a little mega sum for Turkey. Make it just go Saudi Arabia for us now. Beg, book quiz and raise money. Alright, so the song come outside let us know say Arsenal only set to win the race to sign to some Vlahovic from January. In fact, I just wake up this morning when I do my daily rounds, they check newspaper headlines for the UK. I can't see the Sun posted that story, so I was very, very surprised. Say Juventus don't they willing to sell. So what's the aim the say Juventus, if they see that kind of 15 million, say they go sell the player, because the guy never really light up Serie A under Juventus. I know the Juventus got, they know they stable based on their points deduction last season. Like many things just they affect their psychic. Although they are doing well this season, because as this guy don't recover from injury, Federico Chiesa, so the guy they play very well, he even scored for Italy the other day, so he's playing well for them. So as this Vlahovic, you realize he don't play like 4 goals in 10 games or thereabouts this season for Juventus for the Serie A. But all in all, Arteta still feels say this is the player, because I think when you check this Vlahovic stats, do you know that Vlahovic is one of the fastest strikers in the world? Like the guy, just like Haaland, we be saying tall, he get pace like mad and he get power. Like we need somebody to keep defenders busy. That is something we've not had in a long while. So at least if you get one centre forward like Vlahovic or Ivan Toney, if you keep the two centre backs very, very busy, so other people will get more freedom to attack. So we'll just watch at the end of the day, last we'll see how things will unfold. Because some people say Arsenal free offer Thomas Partey to collect the Vlahovic. On the other hand, Al Ettifaq, Al Ali, they are still on the wings, waiting. Say how far? We don't come again for January. Thomas Partey, we are waiting for you. So anyway, they go, Shamo they watch. Alright, so Trossard also when they do an interview for Belgium. So Babaka they talk say these days now, saying they try all their best to give Arteta selection problem. So disturb Arteta, you get, to do very well in the training sessions and in match day, so that Arteta will be confused. Say, she make I play Trossard as number 9, I be make I play Gabriel Jesus, I be make I play Edin Ketia. You get, that is his job to do so well. Make the coach get that daily man. You know what thing go choose out of the options where he gets, because when you check Trossard statistics, in fact, the now calling here say in about 10 or 12, in about 14 appearances, Trossard don't get 6 goals and 2 assists. Even I think yesterday when they play Azerbaijan, Belgium play Azerbaijan, Trossard scored a goal. Lukaku scored 4 goals in 1 match in 37 minutes. We make all those Chelsea fans come for Twitter when they beg Lukaku say make him come back, because that then loan and go Rome. In fact, Mourinho talk say he go transform this Lukaku where people think say he be shit packer, say he don't die, say career don't finish. Lukaku dey score for Roma like man. In fact, at one point, the guy the way he miss penalty, he comes to score 9 minutes goal. Lukaku dey cry for field of play. Like this guy don't suffer a lot. They don't talk so many things about that. Yesterday when he scored 4 goals, he say I am him. He gets he be senior man. The guy dey score goals for fun now. So I remember when they talk say make Arsenal go sign this guy. Many Arsenal fans say the guy don't end. They don't do this. I don't know that one. Now so life be. The fact say a player they play for this club, they play very well. No means say if he change club under another manager, say no go thrive, say no go succeed. That is the way life is. So we just watch as everything they go. Trossard, I asked the question before. By the time we return from international break, the Jesus now don't fit already. Don't come back to full training for Brazil. Who is going to be our number 9? Is it going to be Trossard, who scored in his last 2 games, or Jesus coming from injury, or Edin Ketia? That will decide. Alright, so Ivan Toney don't score again behind closed doors for the friendly match they play against Watford. The guy they tried to keep fit, to make sure say he come back by January 17, because from January 17 he will be eligible to return to playing time. So we wish him the best of luck, because nobody really know who we go sign. But I know saying our midfielder will first time, but nobody really know how it will be, how it will go down. Case we come outside, I can't say won't give us plenty money, you never can tell. So we'll just the hope. Alright, Gilberto Silva will be one of Arsenal legends. But back on come outside, so waiting they hear from insiders, from Arsenal, the fact say our priority now midfielder, as Ateta they feel say we would like to strengthen our midfield because of Thomas Partey where they always go injured. So with what this means now is Arsenal don't already admit say Thomas Partey has to go. He has overstayed his welcome. So they need to buy somebody else. We will come make things they happen before we come to look for the striking role. Remember, say I don't forget the media house we talked this thing before. Say Arsenal, their priority now be this midfielder. So now we give it to see back on the top the same thing. Say now waiting they hear from inside Arsenal. Say now midfield they don't identify whether now Neves, whether now Douglas Luiz, whether now Martin Zubimendi. Nobody will they go sign. Oh, talk say he be bad player. All of them they did very good. After all, now to complement Declan Rice really for the middle of our pack. So I don't think it's a bad choice. Alright, Thierry Henry said come as I can reply Graham Souness where they advise Ramsdale to make him be like Scott McTominay and Maguire, making fights for a place for Arsenal. So Henry can lay the baseline. So Henry can just say at big clubs, competition will always be the order of the day. Say as Ramsdale did like this. This is why Ramsdale papa they talk say Ramsdale no get happiness for his life again. Saying they unhappy. They say see, if you dey unhappy for Arsenal, don't follow anybody advice, don't listen to anybody, you come and find your square root. If you are unhappy, leave and go to where you'll be happy, because okay, you are unhappy now, they play. The devil will come say make you play. How do you not transform those your lengthy days of unhappiness into happiness? How would they transform now? That means this Brentford match now we won't play. Now we will fear, make you nobody match rusty, make you nobody panic because you are unhappy and you will want impress by all means. For that reason, panicking, setting, fear, all those things, it may set a lack of focus. You don't come out and tell everybody say you don't feel focus for 90 minutes. So for that match, now people will look you, make them see whether you will banter fans, or you will sing along with fans to show say true, you don't feel focus. Like I see what Henry they talk, I see what Graham Souness they talk. But the truth is, I don't think anybody wants a player that is losing focus in matches. In as much as we all celebrate Ramsdale, I believe say that interview we do, it cause him more harm than good, because it don't make so many people they sympathize with him. Can't really dey against him, can't dey Ateta side. Say no wonder Ateta drop this guy, because the guy no fit dey focus. And goalkeeping departments no be position where we say we dey active. Like ball fit dey go on, you go just dey, go play. But the little time where you go get, you need to dey focus. So that is why Ateta need somebody that will focus for the entire 100 minutes. That is what we actually need, because little pocket of details now they spoil match. Even if only just again one match, we say Ramsdale they look bad, they fly, they can't score. I don't feel remember the day, but I hear people they talk about the comment section. So I don't know how many of them I remember when that one happened. Alright, so you're right, Seth, come aside, they talk in the same light of competition always happens in club. Right when they let us know, say during the time, what make can come up for Arsenal. This guy entered Arsenal whether in 1990 or 1991. Say when they call say he won't come up for Arsenal, go play for that place. Now because of Nicolas Anelka, a 17-year-old Nicolas Anelka now he pursue in right come up for Arsenal, because in right at that time you already scam and say almost say nobody gets playing time, because when I don't give Anelka game in the play, I'm making no lie. So Anelka they play fantastically well. He deliver the goods and they play. So the guy get enough raw pace and energy. He gets finishing abilities up there. So no, you don't need Babalawo to tell you say it is time for you to find a square root. So now so you just come out for Arsenal. If you say no once, if I still stay, say I want to drag, but no. Sometimes you need to use your tongue and count your teeth and know when it is time to move. And the same advice Henry they advise Ramsdale. you either be like Leno or be like Martinez, who have left because of this your own similar situation. So, or you calm down, stay at the club. So at the end of the day, probably now Ramsdale will decide. And when Ramsdale decides, make Arsenal not block him away, because at the same time, in as much as say we love him, but we cannot be stunting his growth. He needs to develop and play regularly. Alright, so Brentford, the high teenage Argentinian striker, what they call Santiago Castro. This guy they play for Vélez Sarsfield, so that the reason say if they fit get him as a replacement for Ivan Toney, then it would be easy for them to sell Ivan Toney, because they want to make sure they get a replacement before they sell and so at the end of the day, nobody then they go for this Castro, many clubs, they go for him for Europe. So at the end of the day, we'll see who will get that. So my dear Arsenal lovers, you know what yesterday show, check the top left corner of your screen, we'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. I came out.